Few things can be as frustrating as the ominous clicking noise emanating from your car when you attempt to start it. It's the sound that sends shivers down any car owner's spine, leaving them wondering what could be causing this unexpected hiccup. In this comprehensive overview, we'll delve into the potential reasons behind your car's mysterious clicking symphony and provide actionable solutions to get you back on the road. Possible causes. 1. Dead battery. The most common culprit for that clicking sound is often a dead or weak battery. When your battery lacks the power to turn over the engine, you'll hear a distinctive clicking noise as the starter solenoid engages but fails to start the engine. 2. Starter issues. A malfunctioning starter motor or solenoid can also be to blame. If the starter isn't receiving the necessary electrical current, it may produce a series of clicks without successfully cranking the engine. 3. Ignition switch problems. A faulty ignition switch might prevent the flow of electricity to the starter, causing your car to click rather than roar to life. Issues with the ignition switch can range from worn-out contacts to electrical failures. 4. Corroded or loose battery terminals. Poor connections due to corroded or loose battery terminals can disrupt the flow of electricity from the battery to the starter, resulting in the infamous clicking noise. 5. Faulty alternator. While less common, a malfunctioning alternator can lead to a drained battery, causing the clicking noise when you try to start your car. Solutions. 1. Jumpstart your car. If a dead battery is the culprit, jump-starting your car using jumper cables and another vehicle with a charged battery can provide a quick fix. 2. Check and tighten battery connections. Ensure that the battery terminals are clean and tightly connected. If corrosion is present, clean it off using a battery terminal cleaner or a mixture of baking soda and water. 3. Test the starter. If the issue lies with the starter, have it tested by a professional mechanic. Replacing a faulty starter motor or solenoid may be necessary. 4. Inspect the ignition switch. Diagnose and replace a faulty ignition switch if needed. This may involve removing the steering column cover to access the switch. 5. Examine the alternator. If the alternator is suspected, have it tested. If it's found to be faulty, replacing it is essential to prevent further issues. Facing car troubles is never fun, but understanding the reasons behind that clicking noise is the first step to a swift resolution. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful automotive tips and troubleshooting guides. Share this video with fellow car owners who might find it helpful. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Keep your wheels turning smoothly